Hey YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to make your own sound in Musical.ly. So, first of all, you're gonna have to have Musical.ly, because if you don't, then yeah, that's not gonna work, because this whole point of this tutorial is on Musical.ly. I might make other apps, but I gotta find them out myself and all that. So here's my sound that I made before I recorded this. So here you go. So yeah, that was my sound. I have another account too. I made another account. Here's another one. Yeah. So, sorry, ignore my background. I'm sorry. I like Cardi B. Okay. So first of all, I had that Musical.ly right here, and then you're gonna have to have InShot, KineMaster, and We Heart It. If you don't have it right now, go download it right now. So first of all, you have to, go to Musical.ly again. And then we're going to go to somebody's account, like people who make the cool music, you know what I mean? Like the music that's good, all that. Let me go on my account real quick. My following. Okay. You can do that. Okay, click, play, and make sure it's facing down to a black screen, like your bed or something. Do not let it face you, because it's going to, you'll see whenever you'll get it. Okay, face it down and do that. Just keep recording. Do anything you want, just don't show your face. Okay, then you click this. Call sneak peek in my room. Okay, good. Now you're gonna go to save your video. Okay, here click private and then click post. Let's wait for it to post. I'm just gonna this girl's Musical.ly anyway. I'll get back to you when it posts. Okay, it has posted. So you're gonna click download, because you need to download. Even though it saves to your gallery when you make one, it's sometimes it'll corrupt, it's wrong, it's not correct, it's messed up, and it has an error. So make sure you don't delete them. So just click it, and then after that, when you're done, click delete your post, and then you're gonna get off of here, because I like my battery like that. And then you're going to have get a screenshot. I just got a screenshot. I had to. Okay, you're gonna go on We Heart It, and these are all pictures of girls, people that goes on their pictures of people, what they do. Okay, so let's see, who do I want on this one? I gotta hurry up. Ignore who's texting right now. I think I'm gonna go with, ooh, this one's kind of cute. Just take a screenshot. And then you're going to, this is how I do it mostly. Snapchat. And then once you do that, not gonna show my face, okay. You're gonna click somebody. Amy. Ignore the chats, I'm sorry. Amy, sorry. Okay, save the camera roll. And then you're going to go to KineMaster. Here comes the editing part. You could pause this video anytime when you, like, I'm going too fast or anything. So, yeah, just, like, you know. Here, click media. You're gonna go to your camera. And then you're gonna click check. Let's see the song. Wait. I gotta start over because I can't hear it. Okay, so we know that it's working. Click layer right here, the second one. Click media. Then you're gonna go to your, like, you know, that. And then you're gonna click this, the thing I'm dragging right now, to the whole video, because it wouldn't make sense if you just started and. Okay, then you're gonna like zoom in. Oh yeah, make sure before I forget, go on text and say your username on Musical.ly, so it's gonna be your sound because people can steal it. So even though I kind of stole it, just you can click any, but I like doing this one because it's more like of it. Click the text all the way over here to the whole video, and now let's see it. Oops. Okay. Then you click that door right there that looks like it's exiting. And then you're going to go click share, export, no, save with watermark, unless if you want to get the pro, then you can, but it costs money though. So I wouldn't recommend getting it because it costs money, but if you want, it makes it more better, but I don't get it because I think it's a waste of money. Same thing kind of, but you can do more effects, you can do all that, make it more like graphic instead of having, you know, those dots and stuff like that. Like, I'm like, okay, I think my photos are perfect without that, so, or videos, so I don't recommend wasting your money on it. If y'all like it, then y'all like it, but I don't. I would get it maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna be back when it's done. Okay, I'm back. It has been downloaded, and now you're going to go to your gallery. Okay, here's just like, you know, that. You're gonna delete these, I guess. Ignore this guy that keeps calling me. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Then you don't really need any shot. That's just editing. I don't like want to show it because it's not that many edits you can do on there, but because this is already good already, so we're gonna continue off. But y'all can comment down below if y'all want me to add a little quick video of how to do it on the edits. So then you're gonna go to here. I hate this guy right now. You're gonna click post. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry, guys. Please accept my apology. Somebody keeps calling me. They're just like a fan, and they just want to play Roblox. So I told them I'm recording, so I can't talk to them right now. When I'm done editing this video, I'll be, back. So we're gonna have to wait for that, and then you can add edits on here on Musical.ly instead of going on to that wasteful app. I'm just gonna say that. Okay, can you go on? Okay, I'm just gonna put in my edits. Okay. Wait. Actually, you know what? No edits. And then you're gonna click post, and then you're done. And then I'll show you the end result. Okay, here's the end result. Well, bye guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if this helped you. Bye bye.